So this is what they call the stink solution, an odor eliminating spray. And this is the Kitchen Refresh. I think they have different kinds, like for maybe for pet odors and for, I don't know, stinky tennis shoes or whatever. But this one is the Kitchen Refresh, and it's designed to eliminate kitchen odors, like if you're cooking fish or
onions,
tuna, onions, garlic, whatever kinds of things that make your kitchen kind of smell a little bit and stuff. And this one, they say it smells like sugar cookie. So it did. I already unsealed. I took the little foil seal off the top there, and I already sniffed it.
Very
and
sweet.
It does smell sweet. So I could definitely see that being smelling like a sugar cookie there.
Yeah.
And it comes with the cap on it there, but then it has the little spray end here, the little trigger spray. And when we need it in the house next time, probably we have tuna. That's the thing that's the most stinky. Although onions a little bit. It depends.
We live in an RV, so the odors really do kind of cling in there. So this is going to come in.
This will be really handy and stuff. But it smells good. I'm telling you, it smells good. They sent this to us so we could show it to you and tell you about it. And I'm telling you, it smells really nice and sweet. So I can imagine that. And apparently it has these odor absorbing molecules that grab a hold of the odor molecules and break them down. And like there's a whole little cycle there that happens and stuff. But really good and supposed to be okay to have around your pets and your kids. And you can put it directly on fabric, and
I'm sure that's going to help. Every time you walk in the RV, you won't go, tuna, oh, onions.
Good. Yep. Thanks for sending that. We're going to definitely get some good use out of that.
Yeah.